Hello, welcome back to Super Building. In this video, we are going to see how to set up your software according to your business. So let's get into it. So after you log in, let's go through our settings. On the left menu, click on Settings. Next, we will go to Tax Settings. On tax settings, you can give your tax percentage and HSN code that you will use for your products. For example, I'm using HSN 2106. The tax percentage is 5 and I'm going to save it. So it will be saved. So while we are creating a product, you can just select the tax slab and the HSN code. So it will be easy while we are adding products. On tax option, if you are a registered tax person, you can click on include tax or you can click on exclude tax. And these are the additional tax information, like if you need to add cess on top of it. So on additional tax, type in cess and the tax percentage too, and you can save it. Thank you.